today we're gonna make ice candy. First, we have breading mix.
Dinner namin is breading mix. Kaya akala niya breading mix yung nakalagay sa loob. Sorry naman, anak. Ang nakalagay sa loob niyan is cornstarch.
Ano to, mami?
Yung plastic ng ice candy.
Plastic ang ice candy. Okay. Honey graham crackers. Alaska.
That's evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk. It's condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
We have
Sugar.
Okay, first,
First.
you have to get.
Good. Mommy, that looks like flour. First, you can put this here. Put it.
Two, sure. Oh, one more.
Mommy, are we gonna add water?
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, one more. One more scoop. Okay. Okay. Not two. And again, 3 spoonful of.
Parang milk, Mommy. It's okay. First, let's put the water.
Don't touch it.
Do you like it? This sky puppy to. You like it, Dora? You like it? Mommy, love you po.
Gusto ko lang i-share kung bakit namin ginawa itong ice candy na to. Kasi si Haven, every time na meron siyang napapanood sa TV, bago sa kanya, lagi siyang curious siya. Lagi niya sinasabi na gusto ko i-try ito. Kahit na Japanese food, Korean food. Kasi sasabihin niya, Mommy, I want to go to Japan to try this, try that. Or I want to go to Korea. I want to go to US. Ang dami yung gustong i-try. So one time, ito nga, nakita niya itong ice candy. Sabi niya, Mommy, I want to try the ice candy. So, naisip ko nga naman, sabi ko, hanggang ngayon, di pa sila nakaka-try ng ice candy. Kaya, ayan, nire-record namin siya. Kasi, para at least in the future, makita nila na ganito, gawa sila ng ice candy. Kasi, mas maganda siyang, memories ng kabataan.
Don't get the cat. Live, it'll kill you. It's okay. Okay. You ready to do it? We did the top. Ready to go? Just squeeze out.
So, ito na nga, naghihiwa na ako ng mangga. Siyempre, hindi naman nakakaya nila nitong gawin. So, ako na yung gumagawa na sa part na to. So, habang nag-prepare ako ng mangga, ayan, sila nagkukulitan na. As you see, sobrang talagang kulit yan ni Haven. Ayan, nagsasayaw pa yan. Natutuwa talaga ako sa kanila pag nakikita ko sila ng ganito. Pero mga lang to, may expiration to. Mga after ilang minutes, mag-aaway na yan sila.